All right, let's just jump right in, because we really need to talk about one of the biggest lies in product management right now. See, for years, we've all been told that success, it's all about engagement, right? But here's the thing. For today's AI products, high engagement, that's not a sign you're winning. It's actually a massive warning sign that you're about to fail.
I mean, this is a complete 180 from everything we've been taught. That one metric we've all been chasing, more time in the app, is actually a signal that your AI is, well, kind of bad. It's inefficient. You're not adding value. You're just creating more work. And guess what? Your customers are absolutely going to ditch you for a tool that just gets the job done faster.
And this really lays out the massive shift we're talking about. I mean, look at the stuff on the left. Daily active users, session length, all that made perfect sense when we were the ones doing all the clicking, right? But in this new AI-native world, the goal isn't to keep people busy. It's to deliver an outcome. So the things we should be measuring are totally different. How many tasks got finished? How much time did we save the user? How many mistakes did the AI prevent?
So let's really think about this for a second. Imagine your new AI assistant takes a workflow that used to take 20 minutes and shrinks it down to just 3. Your engagement metrics, they just plummeted by 85%. Your dashboard would be screaming, flashing red alerts everywhere. It looked like a total disaster. But did the product actually get worse? Or did it just become infinitely more valuable because it gave you 17 minutes of your life back? And that right there, that's the whole paradox. A negative 85% drop in engagement is actually a huge win. If you're still clinging to those old metrics, you literally can't even see your own success. It's like you're flying blind, totally terrified of a number that's actually screaming how incredibly valuable your product is. Yeah, it's like a metric mirage. The old SaaS model was basically a hamster wheel. It was designed to keep you clicking, running in place, just to prove the app was sticky. But the new AI-native model, that's a bullet train. Its only job is to get you to your destination as fast as humanly, or I guess artificially, possible. Less interaction here actually means more value.
So here's the really crucial point. When you measure the wrong thing, you build the wrong thing. It's that simple. You start forcing users to log in, you add pointless approval steps, you build dashboards they don't need, all just to prove your software is sticky. You're not optimizing for value anymore. You're actively and deliberately optimizing for noise. And your users, they absolutely hate you for it. Look, let's just be brutally honest here for a second. Your users do not want to hang out in your B2B SaaS tool. It's not a fun place to be. They want to get their work done and go home. That's it. Your product isn't a destination, it's a vehicle. Its only job is to get them from A to B so they can move on with their lives. The second we forget that, we start building products that serve our spreadsheets instead of our actual users.
Okay, so how do we fix this whole mess? Well, we have to start building for a totally new kind of person, the AI native user. And this user, they don't want to click through your beautiful, carefully designed interface. No, they expect to just state a goal and have an AI agent go and get the outcome for them, automatically, seamlessly. For them, the tolerance for friction is basically zero.
And that brings us to the new playbook. It's pretty straightforward, really. There are 3 key steps to get out of this engagement trap. Number 1, you've got to track task completion. Number 2, you pivot to outcome-based pricing. And number 3, you build your entire product on a foundation of trust.
And look, this isn't just some theory. The data shows this shift is already well underway. The classic seat-based pricing model, it's on a steep decline. And why is that? Well, think about it. If your AI is actually good, one user can suddenly do the work of 10. So companies just don't need as many seats. Your own success starts eating away at your revenue, unless, of course, you change the model.
Intercom is a fantastic real-world example of this new model in action. They don't charge you based on how many support agents you have. Instead, they charge a flat fee for each successfully resolved support ticket. So if their AI solves the problem, they get paid. If the AI fails, guess what? There's no charge. This is brilliant because it forces them to align their entire company with actual customer value, not just how much time people spend clicking around. And finally, let's talk about trust. Because as these AI systems get more and more autonomous, trust becomes the single most critical factor. And I'm not talking about a feature on a roadmap. This has to be your core operating principle. Your users have to be able to see what the AI is doing, they need to have control, and they need to know who's accountable when something goes wrong. Because, in a world of AI agents, a silent error isn't just a small bug anymore. It's a catastrophic failure of trust.
So, I'm going to leave you with this one last challenge. A final question to really think about. Call it the zero-click test.
If your product became so good, so perfect, that it solved a customer's entire problem in 0 clicks, instantly, autonomously, with no interaction needed, what would your analytics dashboard say? Would it flash alarms telling you the product is dead, or would it tell you that you've just built the perfect product?
So the takeaway is this: engagement is dead. The era of optimizing for screen time is officially over. We're not building digital playgrounds anymore, trying to trap people inside. We're building bullet trains designed to deliver results. It's time to throw out the vanity metrics, start measuring what actually matters, and for goodness sake, get out of the user's way.